Hello everyone, Archana here. Look at these beautiful things are here. So I have created this album. This is basically a recipe book in a box. So I'll show you later. I know you wanted to see this before this kit, but I'll show you the kit first. This is really small yet cute kit. So I have used this Lemon Craft new paper collection called Something Sweet. It's really sweet collection and designed by Amelia aka Lady. She is a well-known lady for her flowers and her dyes. So she created this collection, and I have added 6 by 6 paper pad, 12 by 12 paper pad, and I have added this border die which you can use for everything, anything like making tags or sides for your pages. So this one is really wonderful and useful border die. And then I have added these 4-piece buttons which is from this kit itself, and I have added these flowers. For my album I have used all my handmade flowers, but if you are not making your own flowers, I have some for you here. So these are kind of cabbage roses, and she have used some of the cabbage kind of roses here. I'll show you right here, so you can see right there. So I thought I will just use something like that, something similar for this kit. And since this kit has lots of berries and very cute, like very deep wine color, so I have luckily these flowers. These are little larger than this one, and these are kind of trellis. You can see these roses. So these 5 big roses are included. You can see this match with these colors, and I'll show you all the papers from inside. So you can see this first page, very pretty, and you can use all these images, but there is some very pretty image behind this page. So I'll show you that image first. So I'll turn this page so you can see this cute lady here sitting in her kitchen. There is really cute stand mixer, some teacups, and a cake, lots of shabby flowers, and there is a kitty, you can see. So this kit is really sweet because 2 reasons. Along with all this sweetness and shabbiness, there are some kittens in there, so your pet is there too along with this sweet kit. You can see this beautiful image right there, and doily, some laces, very pretty, and very soft pink and like beige colored and blue color backgrounds, and these very pretty bright flowers on that. So it's really pretty collection. And there are some cupcake page, some borders, roses, and then you can see this cat here sitting with cupcakes, beautiful roses here, some berries, grapes, very cute. Then the back side of this page has couple of cards, you can see, and they are stitched. You can see right there, there are stitches right here, right there, beautiful laces, doilies, bouquet of flower, very nice border right here, and some hand stitched border right there, you can see. I'll show you closer. And then this page has 2 beautiful images, very cute. There is a cat and a cute kitten here, super cute, along with all these beautiful cupcakes and flowers. Then backside of this has some kind of lacy fabric effect here on blue, and this page has lace borders all over here, very pretty page. Then this page has a huge cupcake, you can see. So this is the cupcake with white icing, but you will get 3 different icing colors here, so you can match with this cupcake, or you can just I would like to use these as a raised topping. I will use some foams underneath and use on top of this. So, and some berries around here, strawberries, some donuts here, very cute. Some M&M kind of things here. And then this page has really pretty border with kitten cat here, you can see, and some rose border here. And then this page has very beautiful lace page, lacy page, you can say. I love this page so much, very nice, beautiful. And then this page has a cat, cakes right there. And then the last page has this image, some cakes on cake stands, blue teacup, tea kettle, some flowers, berries, very cute page. And this is your 12 by 12 paper pad included in this kit. So this kit has 12 by 12, 6 by 6 buttons, border die from Crealis, and some of the flowers. So 15 piece flowers. So this is the kit is available right now. I have 10 kits available currently, so please check it out if you are interested. For my recipe book, I have only used 12 by 12 paper pad, but I have added 6 by 6 paper pad also if you want to create a larger album. So it's there. So now let's look at my cute recipe book. You can see I have covered, decorated this box, and I have print out this sentiment. I don't have stamp, or this is not from the collection. I just write down and print out. So this is the bouquet of flower. It's my own handmade flowers I have used, and paper from the collection. But this basic box is from Michaels, and it is the Ashland collection box, and this box is really good size box. It's 6.5 by I think 10.5 or 6 by 10.5 size. So I'll show you. I have one more here. So this is the box. It's very nice floral box. So I thought this will be good for my album. But this box is 2 inches or 1.5 inches width. So I have used this for recipe book. It's perfect for recipe book. So I decorated top because I couldn't decorate inside recipe book, since we need to close this properly. If I use bulky flowers, then my album will be I think 1 inches instead of 1.5 inches width. So this small album, if you want to decorate front part, you need to make just 1 page recipe book. I have created 2-page recipe book here, and I have used some of these die cuts from my other collection. It is Scrap and Me collection, Rose Days. I have some of the leftovers, so I have used to decorate underneath for these two. And here also I have used, but you can use any of the images from the collection. There are so many beautiful roses and cupcakes and cakes. You can use it here. That was my plan, but while decorating inside pages, I ran out of all the images, so I had to use these ones here. And this is also a printout I have used here, recipes. And when you open this, so first of all I'll show you, these are only 2 pages. You can see the hinges. These 2 pages I have created, and there are 2 pockets also on the top. So I'll show them later on. First let's get into it. Once you open this, you will have this big pocket on one side, beautiful images, and I have used this plain white cardstock, since if you want to write the recipes, or you can stick some recipes here, and you can put some pictures. So if you got the recipe from your grandmother, mother, aunt, or grandfather also, you can put recipes inside and put their picture here. That's what I was thinking. So even though friends also, even dad, you can get recipes from all these people and put their pictures there, so it can be a recipe with the memory book too. And then on other page I have created another pocket here, the small pocket with this some picture frame. You can put the picture here, you can write something here, and this page open like that. You can see this beautiful lacy paper here. You can put some picture here. One more pocket. I have used this beautiful images inside. I don't want to use anything on top of that, but if you want to put some pictures, use some magnet here and under the picture, so you can stick on top of that, like just like that. Here is another image, you can put in the pocket right there. Then it closes like that, and I have used magnets everywhere. You can see it sticks. And then this page is open like that with magnets I have used. And I have used this whole image. I wanted to use this whole image on one paper, but one page I mean, but my album is small, so I cut apart and use this image on these two pages like this. Super cute, very very pretty. You can use some picture here on this area, and it closes like this. Then the page open like that. So this is our one hinge, this whole thing, and this whole thing is our second hinge. So one hinge we created so many things using the gusset here, so you can use recipes, photos inside, they will stay properly. Then I have used this border. You can see this border right here. You can see how pretty this border looking like. It is stitched border, and you can use picture here, and it opens like that. I have used white paper, so you can write the recipes right there. Then here also I have created some kind of booklet, 2-page booklet. You can use picture here, beautiful cupcakes right there, and it close like that. It has a magnet here, so it close properly. Then on one side I have created kind of waterfall, but this is not our traditional vertical waterfall. It opens like that, so I have used this one of the M&M image here. So this is magnetic closure. When you open this one, you can see this beautiful image, all the flowers here. Then it's open like this, like that. You can use these pages for recipes, and this big page for picture. Then it closes like this. So this is our front part of our next page. Then it's open like that. There is a side flap, and you can use a booklet for recipes right there. You can use small 2 pictures here, very cute. Then this big picture right here. You can create some pocket right there too, but I have kept it like that. For big picture right there you can use. Then it closes like this. I have created another flap here using this same border, and it opens like that. I have used some leftover paper. It's not pocket or anything like that, but if you want to, you can create a pocket, but it's just the leftover paper there. And look at this beautiful image. I love this image. So I just wanted to keep these images like that. I didn't want to make it like into pocket or flaps. These are very pretty images, so they looks good on one big page. Here also same thing. I have used this image. This is 3-tier cake here. So this one is right there, and then this page simply open like that. So I have created couple of pockets here. So this is the one pocket. I have leftover piece, so I have created thin booklet, but you can create a wide one too. Back page is plain. Then this page has a big booklet here, like that. I will keep it out, so I wanted to show you other 2 pockets, so I'll keep it open. Then it closes like that, and this is your cute recipe book. And I'll show you for this 2 pages, this this is our first page, and this main page has a pocket here, so you can add additional recipes or pictures in there. It's very deep and big pocket. And then the second page, we have a pocket here. Okay, so these two pages has pocket, and this one close like that. So this is my cute recipe book. It has tons of space for pictures and recipes, as you already seen, and it goes perfectly in this box like that. And since it has a magnetic closure, it closes nicely. It will not stay like slightly open or like that, something like that. So it's just close it. And this is my recipe book box. So thank you so much for your time, and thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like. And this is the kit I have already listed on my store, so link is in below description box, and please check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.